For this task, we're going to create a triangle and we will limit the domain. So let's just see how this looks. So we'll start with 2x plus 3 being one side of the triangle and the other negative 2x plus 3. And last but not least, f of x equals 0. So y equals 0. So you can see we can have a triangle here. You can't really see the y equals 0 too well. So we could hide the axes, which I'll do just now, or we can change the color of the previous one. But in any case, I think first I will limit the domain and then we'll hide the axes. Okay, so let's say this triangle, if we wanted to go from here to here, okay, well, let's actually do a couple things first. Let's see where they're intersecting. Okay, so menu, analyze graph, intersection, and we want to find the intersection of this curve and this curve. Okay, so it's 1.5. Okay, and this will be a negative 1.5 as well. Okay, so let's go to, actually, I'll still show you more. Analyze graph, intersection between this and this. Okay, that's 0, 3. To make it clear, I'll do the last one as well. Menu, analyze graph, intersection from here in the line that we don't see. Okay, so there's negative 1.5 to 0. Okay, so now we want to limit the domain, so we only see this triangle. Okay, so let's start with whatever the first one is, the blue one. We want to go from negative 1.5 on x to 0. So you can go to control equals, which brings you to all these options. You want to click this one, which is the conditional one, like such that. So we're going to say such that negative 1.5 is less than or equal to x and less than, oh, I made a mistake here. Let me go back up. And less than or equal to 0. Okay, and it disappeared. So let's see what mistake I made. It's because I clicked out of it. Let's try this again. Less than or equal to 0. And let's get rid of this. There we go. Okay, so it just, the domain was limited, so we don't have to see everything here. Okay, and now I'm trying to click on this, but it's a little finicky. I'm going to delete that actually. Okay, and nope, I did not mean to do that. So I undid that. Okay, so a little hard on my laptop right now. There we go. I can finally move that out of the way and delete it if I want to. Okay, so let's do the same thing with the red one. So control equals, okay, such that, and we want to go from 0 to 1.5. The domain is just, it's letting you change the x. Okay, so 0 less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 1.5. And there we go. Okay, and last but not least, we have the one that we don't see is on the x-axis. Okay, but it's this one. Okay, and control equals such that negative 1.5 less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 1.5. And there we go. All right, so we can't see that, but let's hide it. If you want to see where that is, we can go to, let's see, it's view. Okay, and let's hide the axes. And now you can see there it is. Okay, so there's our little triangle, but all I'm trying to show you here is that we could limit the domain. And that's it.